As you can see folks, what have we bought you today? I bought you another Yamaha bike in red color by Yamaha. Hope you are doing good today folks. I am also doing excellent today. So I have bought you this Yamaha red bike. I have bought you this Yamaha red bike, red color. I have bought you this Yamaha bike in red color. So I am getting started on the Yamaha bike red color. So telling you the features of the Yamaha bike in red color. Features are LED headlights at front and back, 2 carbon fiber painted mirrors, 2 tires with the front and rear disc brake, a highest resolution top notch TFT instrument cluster in the Yamaha bike, petrol diesel you can put in this, and bike features are good. This is the front look of the Yamaha bike, red color. Then we have this LED light setup we have, this light setup we have, then the bulb LED light setup we have, bulb LED light setup we have, then this sturdy good tires. This is good sturdy tires we are getting in this Yamaha bike, a good sturdy tires with the metal front and rear disc brake, a good sturdy tires. Good sturdy tires, front and rear disc brake we are getting in the Yamaha bike, good sturdy tires. Yeah. When we come to the side look of the Yamaha bike, good one in red color. Let me show you the highest resolution top notch TFT cluster in the Yamaha bike. This is the highest top notch resolution cluster in the Yamaha bike. Features are gear street, N00 kilometers, trip 1, 232 time feature, E fuel F feature, EF feature, N feature, gear feature, N gear feature, street feature, time feature, kilometers feature, petrol time feature, 00 kilometers feature, ignition on feature, trip 1 feature, TCS feature, N feature, temperature feature, ABS feature. Good highest resolution top notch display in the Yamaha bike. The Yamaha badging itself in the black color. Then petrol, you can put the key in this, you can open it and put the petrol diesel in this. Yeah, good bike. This is VVVA variable value acquisition feature, VVVA variable value acquisition feature in the Yamaha bike, red color, top model. Side look is too good of the bike, I must say that again. This is there, you can put the number plate area here, and the LED lights will come with the 2 dippers itself, with the reflectors itself. Twin peak cylinder exhaust. This is a good twin peak cylinder exhaust. This is in metal chroming, twin peak cylinder exhaust in metal chroming. Yeah. Good Yamaha bike. This is golden tires. This is golden tires. This is golden tires. This is Side look is good of the bike, too good. Front look is even more good of the bike. Front look is too good of the bike. Top end model by Yamaha. This is red color. Side look is also good of the bike, I am telling you right now. Side look is too good of the bike. Excellent side look, back look. Side look, back look. Back look I showed showing you again. LED lights is the slim LED lights coming in the bike. A slim LED light setup. Yeah. Good golden tires. These are a golden color touch of the golden tires we are getting in the Yamaha bike. Golden tires we are getting in the Yamaha bike. Top end model. Yeah. Side look is too good. Front look is coming up, guys, for you. Front look is good. Look is good. Side look is too good. Look is too good of the bike. Side look is too good of the bike. Yeah. Back look is also good of the bike. Yeah. Back look is good. Yeah. Side look is good. Yeah. Sturdy, strong Yamaha bike. This is top end model in the red color, 2024 edition launch. This is in the Yamaha bike. LED lights we are getting, a golden color touch we are getting. All the top end features we are getting in this Yamaha bike. Top end model, red color. Back look is too good of the bike.